students, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are going to start chapter 5 of 10th class math. Name of the chapter is arithmetic progressions. Here in this video, we will be trying to complete few of the questions of 5.1 exercise. Before to start this exercise, let's talk about what is arithmetic progressions first. Arithmetic progression is a sequence in which terms increases and decreases by the same constant. What is constant here? Constant is a common difference among all the terms of a series. Okay, you might have done in your previous classes the making of series by jumping of 5, by jumping of 10. So that is called an AP series. Here we will be doing the same thing but use some of the formulas that will help us to do the solution very quickly and easily. Without wasting your time, let's start with the question. And I have written here second question of 5.1 exercise. What is question here? In this, they are asking to find first 4 terms of an AP series in which first term and common difference is already given to us. So what we have to do is, we just need to know the formula to create an AP series. Afterward, we just need to substitute the values. So what is the formula? Let's talk about it. Formula is A1, A2. This is the second term. First term A1, second term A2, then A3, A4. Now you can just stretch as you want. We need to know how can we get A2. There is some specific formulas for that. A is the first term of an AP series, that is our A. We denote it by A1 or we can simply write A as well. And D is our common difference. So what we will do here in this formula of making an AP series, we will just substitute the values. But for A2, A3, A4, for that there are formulas. If the formulas are not like you have to do the rata, you can make your own. For A2, what we will do, as I have explained initially, that AP series is a sequence in which terms increases and decreases by the same constant. So same constant is a D, that is common difference. So what we have to do, we have to add D with our first term. Okay, so here A2 is equal to A plus D. So if you want to know what is A3, so for that A will be remain same, A plus, here if you want to know A3, so for that 2D will be adding. Okay, if you want to know A4, so for that A will be remain same, and then A4, then you will add A plus 3D. Now you can just continue it as per the requirement of your term. So now let's continue this with using of these values. A is given 10, D is also given 10. So now let's continue it. A is 10, A2 is A plus D. Okay, so A and D, we will just add both values. So the second term would be 20. For A3, A plus 2D. So what we will do, the D value will be twice and then we will add A, that is first term, then we will be getting 30. And for the fourth term, A plus 3D, so it will be 40. Okay, so this is how we can create an AP series by using these formulas. These formulas are not that much tough. You just need to practice. Once you will do, you will get to know. Let's do in part of this question. In that A is minus 2, D is 0. What we will do now, we will just use these value of A and D in this formula by this way. Then we will create our second AP series. So let's do second part. Here A is minus 2, D is 0. So A, that is the first term, it will remain minus 2 only. But as if you will notice that D, that is the common difference which is given to us, that is 0. We no need to add any value with the first term. That means this all the terms of this AP series will remain as it is. Like minus 2, the third term will be minus 2, fourth term will be also minus 2, because common difference is 0, so we will not add any value. Okay, here for the third question, A is 4, D is minus 3. we will do the same thing. A, that is 4. Then for the second term, that is A2, A plus D. 4 plus minus 3, it is only 1. Okay. For A3, A plus 2D, that 4 plus 2 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 to the 6. This is minus 2. So the third term will be minus 2. For fourth term, we will be using this formula again. This values we will just simply substitute here at the place. 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 3 is 9. So it will come minus 5. So this is our last term of the AP series by using A is 4 and D is minus 3. Let's move to the next question. Fourth part of this. A is minus 1. So the first term will be same. Okay. And for the second term of this AP series, what we will do, we will just use this formula again, A plus D. So you can simply write minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Either you can do the solution separately and just substitute the value here. Okay. Now let's do A3. So A is minus 1 plus 2 into D. Okay. For the first term, A plus 3D. Now you can either remain it as it is, otherwise you can do the solution of these values as well. Like what can we do? Minus 1, this will be like we will take an LCM. Minus 2 plus 1, it will come minus 1 by 2, and here it will be minus 1. So here one value is having minus integer and plus integer, so they will just remove from here. We will be getting 0 third term, and for fourth term it will come 1 by 2. So this is how we can create an AP series of if value is in rational form. So let's do the last part of this question, that is A minus 1.25, D minus 0.25. So let's start. The first term will be as it is, minus 1.25 A, and then second term A plus D, that is minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25. Then for third term A plus 2D. So A minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25, and for the fourth term A plus 3D, so that is minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25. Now let's do the solution. The first term will remain same. Here for the second, plus minus is minus, and then minus minus will be adding together. So the value will come 1.50 with minus integer. Okay. Now for the third term, the values will multiply, so it will be 0.50 with having minus integer, then minus minus is plus, so it will be minus 1.75, and for this part it will be 0.75, then we will add, so minus 2.0 will come. This is how we can create an AP series with the different values of A and D. We just need to know this basic formula, this one, and then you need to know what is A2. A2 is A plus D. A3 is A plus 2D. So this is how we can just recognize. Thank you for watching this video.